Welcome to the Walter Academy and this how-to video on the SURFOX MAX. We'll take a look at some of the features of this SURFOX machine, as well as some best practices. Are you ready? Let's get started. Once you have plugged in the machine, turn the switch to the on position. Before you can go to work, you must connect the ground clamp to the SURFOX MAX. Doing so is easy as the corresponding port is clearly marked and located on the front of the SURFOX machine. Connecting the dip and work wands is also easy as it is located on the front of the machine and clearly marked with corresponding ports. The new SURFOX machines are equipped with an easy-to-read LCD screen. To choose your language, hold the plus and minus button for 3 seconds. You'll be prompted to enter a PIN, and the factory PIN is 0000. Now you've entered the language selection. Once you've selected your language, you can go back to the menu screen. Cycling through the various functions of the SURFOX machine is very easy. Use the mode button on the LCD screen to choose between pickling with a brush or with a pad, polishing with a brush or with a pad, or marking or etching functions. Once you've selected the mode that you'll be operating in, you can make micro adjustments to the output voltage while in operation using the plus or minus signs on the LCD control panel. A pro tip is that carbon fiber brushes should never be used over 18 volts of output to avoid premature burning. The SURFOX MAX is so powerful it can allow 2 operators to work at once from the same SURFOX MAX machine. You can have 2 operators working on a single workpiece to clean with twice the efficiency, or using the ground splitter cable sold separately, you can have 2 operators working on 2 different workpieces at the same time. Always remember to push the power button on the LCD control panel to engage the cleaning mode. It is to be noted that when working in dual user mode, both accessories must be the same, either 2 carbon fiber brushes or 2 conductive cleaning pads. The SURFOX MAX is compatible with a wide variety of accessories designed specifically for this SURFOX machine. These accessories are compatible in dip and work functionality only. They're carbon fiber brushes, as well as conductive pads in a variety of sizes. When installing the dip and work accessories onto the dip and work wand, ensure to align the set screws with the contact tip and tighten with the Allen key provided. Note that for the dip and work carbon fiber brush, you should also give it an extra quarter turn with the 10mm key provided. The SURFOX MAX is also capable of permanently marking and etching a wide variety of metals. Have a look at our dedicated marking and etching video to learn more about this function. The process to follow for proper passivation is simple, but ensure to follow the steps to properly comply with ASTM 967. When you have finished cleaning the weld, wipe away any excess electrolyte solution with a dedicated acid rag. Then, spray the surface thoroughly with SURFOX N neutralizing solution. When you have finished, wipe away the excess with a dedicated neutralizer rag. Be sure not to use the same rag for both processes, as this can compromise the passivation process and lead to staining on the material. After use, the best way to care for and maintain your SURFOX accessories is to thoroughly clean and neutralize accessories and the wand. This will guarantee maximum life. If using the conductive pads, it is recommended to dispose of them after use, as they are not intended to be reusable. When finished working, turn the machine off and unplug the ground cable. To properly care for your carbon fiber brushes, it is recommended to disconnect them from the wand and place them in a container of SURFOX N neutralizing solution overnight. Also, thoroughly spray the contact tip and wand with SURFOX N neutralizing solution, and then dry it with a dedicated neutralizer rag. This will ensure there is no residual electrolyte solution left over to prevent any future contamination. Now you've seen just how easy it is to get set up and working with your new SURFOX machine. If you have any questions or want to learn more about other great products that Walter has to offer, reach out to your local territory manager.